All right, so you can imagine my surprise when I came in here. This is the first time I've seen my house. I bought it sight unseen. There is so much work to do, but I knew that already. But then again, the more I'm in it, the more I'm starting to like it. But it was pretty scary buying a house without even being here. So here is the downstairs, and here's a bathroom. Downstairs bathroom, which is really nice because this house has 6 bedrooms and 1, 2, 3 full bathrooms. So it has 3 bathrooms, which is very unusual in Provo because a lot of times the older homes, this was built in 1966, a lot of times the older homes, they're gonna have only 2 bathrooms, and you know, the bedrooms are all really small and by levels. And so, but I can take 2 bedrooms and make 1 bedroom, which makes it really nice for me to have a nice master that I want. And this is the downstairs family room. And it's going to be turn into the game room. And then when we go over here, this is where there's another washer area, which might be nice if we have camping stuff and everything. I don't know what this room was used for, and it has a little sink. Have no idea what this room was used for. It's very strange. And then this is my food storage room. So my food storage room, which I really like. So just clean it up and build more shelves in here, and I can have my food storage in here, which I really, really like. And then maybe appliances that you don't use all day, party equipment, things like that. I'm going to go now back through the family room. This will become our pool table room where we play pool and stuff like that. And then this here this is a closet that goes underneath the stairs. A lot of fun things you can do with that room. This is another built-in shelving, which is actually very nice. And then this is a bedroom, another bedroom here. So this is the 5th bedroom. And then over here is the 6th bedroom. They all have nicely done, the closets actually are pretty nicely organized with lots of nice shelving, which makes it really nice. This one here too. So the initial owner, the very first owner, had 8 children in here, so they had to have a lot of space to put things. So then we're gonna go out to the garage, which there's access to the garage through the family room. I'm getting a home inspection done so that I know what parts of the house to fix first before I start beautifying the home, because I just want to beautify the home, right? But we have to fix things that are wrong with the house before we can beautify it. So we'll go back outside here and we'll walk around the yard. So this here, beautiful, beautiful house. Houses all over my neighborhood. Oh, look at my view from my front yard. So I'm gonna be making a big porch here, which I'll go over that with you soon in the next video of what I wanna do, so that I can always be able to see the beautiful view of the mountain sitting outside. So this is a nice concrete pad where kids have a basketball court. Here's another concrete area. In this area, I'm going to create a pergola and make an outdoor seating living room area, hang the TV and all that good stuff. So just have to camouflage. I'll build a little gate around the AC unit, move the garbage cans and move the other things, stuff like that. So I'll move it all. I have to figure out what we're gonna do with how far away I can be from the meters and stuff, and make sure there's access there for the utility people, electric people. So this is my backyard here. It's so pretty. And there's my workshop, which I absolutely love. The stairs to the deck, which really need to be fixed. So the yard is really nice size. I have plenty of room for gardens, for fire pit right over there. I can even put in a jacuzzi. I have plenty of room for, or even the swim spa. I could even put out here a swim spa. So my workshop is really big. It's like a 20 by 20 in there. And then this is underneath the deck, which most people never do anything with, and I am going to do things with it. I am going to finish this all off and put up a specific kind of ceiling that you put on under the roof. There's a special kind of ceiling you can put to take the runoff water and take it off of the, they left all those bricks there from when they built the house. And then this is the door that goes into the garage. Let me tell you. The garage is like 720 square feet. So it's extremely big garage, but the overhang, the garage door itself is very small. So we'll address that as well. Oh, look at this mountain. I love this mountain in my backyard. And what I love the most is my lot is flat. Like I only have one little dip right here. You see the berm right up there with the flowers? That is my neighbor's property line. Right up there where all the flowers are. So my berm is like probably only goes about halfway up there, my retaining wall. And then the rest belongs to this neighbor here who plants beautiful flowers. Oops, let me go back the normal way. Plants beautiful flowers up there. But this is like so really, really amazing stories here and everything, which I will tell you all about as I keep going through the house and start all my renovations. So the back of the house is actually not bad. It actually looks pretty good when I walk back. If we walk back to the backyard more here. They never took care of the lawn. The grass is all dead. But you can see it's really nice even from the back. A lot of backs are very flat with no form or anything to them. And this one is actually really nice. And I'm gonna make it a really, really nice house. So I'm really excited about that. So that's the end of the tour of my initial for the video. And the next ones I do, we'll talk about how we're going to renovate. And then I'll show you the process, because what I have found is there's nothing out there on the internet that satisfied me to answer my questions about mid-century modern remodeling.